Today, I want to talk about a simple, natural way to relieve sinusitis, especially for people over 50. Imagine waking up with a heavy head, pressure around your nose, watery eyes, and thick yellow-green mucus. Pain radiates to your eyes, teeth, sometimes even your ears. Most of the time, doctors prescribe antibiotics. But here's the problem. In older adults, antibiotics don't always work as well, and they can cause side effects like nausea, weakness, and digestive issues. But there's a natural remedy that can help. Just honey and baking soda. Honey contains natural hydrogen peroxide, which fights bacteria, and baking soda creates an alkaline environment where bacteria can't survive. Together, they act as a gentle, effective nasal drainage system. Here's how you do it. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of baking soda until smooth. Apply the mixture on a cotton pad or rolled gauze and insert it into your nostril, opposite to the side where you feel the most pressure. Tilt your head, relax for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove. Many people notice relief after the first try. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for 3 to 5 days. To boost the effect, rinse your nose with a saline solution and drink ginger tea to thin mucus and support immunity. Studies show honey has strong antibacterial properties, and regular nasal rinsing can reduce chronic sinusitis risk by 20%. Remember, this works for mild sinusitis. If you are allergic to honey, avoid this remedy. Also, if your temperature rises above 38 degrees Celsius, swelling occurs, or symptoms persist. After a few days, see a doctor immediately. So, honey and baking soda can help clear your sinuses, fight infection, and relieve pressure naturally, especially for those over 50. Have you ever tried natural remedies for sinusitis? Share your experience in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.